Hello and welcome, we are back. Today we're at Thorpe Park.
The day's finally come.
Yeah, so it's been a long time coming. This is our first time visiting the park. Obviously Hyperia's opened within the past few months. So basically every ride here is going to be all new to us. Brand new experience, so yeah, we're excited to bring you along. Right, so for the first ride of the day, we're going to make our way onto the Swarm, which is a B&M wing coaster. Are you excited?
Yeah, I can't wait.
Yeah, unfortunately we're not allowed to film on rides today, but I'm sure we can get some off-ride shots. I think the queue's around 20 minutes, so yeah, let's go. So we've just had our first ride of the day. We've just been on the Swarm. Paige, thoughts?
And it was amazing. Yeah, so good, and it was so forceful as well.
Yeah, very forceful. I was on the, we're on the back row, and yeah, that outer wing seat, especially on that first drop, was yeah very intense. So we're gonna make our way over to Stealth now. Right, we're now going to make our way onto Stealth, fastest accelerating coaster in the world now. Obviously a Intamin accelerator. It's actually just about to launch. Wow, so we've just done a back row ride on Stealth. Paige, thoughts?
Oh my god, honestly, when you compare this to Rita, like this is so much better. And because when you set off, normally you'd scream, literally there's that much air and it's that fast you can't even do it. It's crazy. So we're now gonna go on it again and try and get the front seat.
Yeah. So yeah, it's it's the definition of short but sweet. I mean, yeah, it's 0 to 80 miles an hour in 1.8 seconds, so you get up that top hat very quick. But I mean, yeah, on the back row you're absolutely flung over. Great air time on the drop down, and yeah, it's a short queue, so we're going to re-ride, see if we can get the front row. So we've just done a front ride on Stealth. I mean, that was amazing. So we're now going to head on to Nemesis Inferno, and it's a 45-minute queue. So we've just been on Nemesis Inferno. We've both obviously been on Nemesis at Alton Towers. So how would you compare it?
I mean, to be honest, I can't really remember what the other one was like. However, they are one of my favourite rides, so I like it regardless.
So yeah, I mean, it was a good ride, 50-minute wait, I think. Good forces, but yeah, still think the Alton Towers Nemesis is better. So we're finally going to make our way onto Hyperia.
Woo! I'm so scared.
It's a 40-minute wait.
It's gone down from 70.
Yeah, it's a 40-minute wait. I mean, you can't really complain.
It looks absolutely incredible. And we've just had some lunch, so, you know, we've got energy ready to go now.
Yeah, really excited for this one. As you saw in our recent video, we also we'd visit the Land of Legends, where they also have another Mack Hyper Coaster. So it'll be good to compare the two. Which do you think is going to be better out of this?
I already know this is going to be better.
Yeah, I mean, it's obviously a short ride, but I mean, it definitely packs a punch, so yeah, can't wait.
We've just got off Hyperia and it was absolutely amazing. It definitely gave me like Hyper Coaster vibes, but the airtime in the sky was, it was amazing. It was great.
Yeah, by far the best roller coaster in the UK. I mean, that first drop is out of this world, and the element that we have no idea, the stall was just on the outside seat was just incredible. So yeah, easily the best coaster in the UK. Unbelievable. The trim did hit a little bit. Well, the trim hits very strong towards that final airtime hill, but other than that, unbelievable ride. I think we only waited around 45-50 minutes for it as well, so can't complain, and hopefully we get to re-ride it later this evening. So we're now going to make our way onto Colossus, which is a 10 inversion intermin looping coaster. It's obviously got the iconic quadruple barrel roll right at the end of the coaster. Yeah, I mean, it's only a 30-minute queue.
Nominate one lucky member
queues have been
of
really
your
good
group
today, to be
place
honest.
any bags and loose items in the
yeah,
bag
let's go.
storage.
Right, so we've just been on Colossus, and yeah, it was definitely an experience.
I genuinely feel like I've got like my head's just absolutely been battered.
Yeah.
It kind of reminds me of Infusion from Blackpool Pleasure Beach, because you just get absolutely whacked around. Put my hands up for 1 second and then I was like, no, can't do that.
Yeah, I mean, the over the shoulder restraints, sorry, are definitely, yeah. There's a reason why they're not on most modern coasters, and yeah, it's because they absolutely wreck your head.
Yeah.
Yeah, I mean, I wouldn't be too upset if we didn't go on that again, but obviously, yeah, it's good to experience it.
Definitely, you need to try it if you can.
So I've just had an ice cream sundae. Paige has had, what have you had?
Chocolate covered strawberries.
Chocolate covered strawberries. Yeah, from Hyperia's new food bit. It's very nice. But yeah, we're just going to make our way now onto Soar. So we've just done a ride on Soar the Ride, and yeah, there was a little bit of a delay, but around 50-minute queue. What did you think?
I thought it was pretty good. There was a lot of story to it, and I love Soar anyway. I'm a sucker for Soar, so yeah, I enjoyed it.
Yeah, there's a little bit of headbanging due to those over-the-shoulder restraints, but yeah, I mean, other than that, yeah, there was a slight little bit of roughness, but that's what you get on these Gerstlauer trains, similar to the Smiler on certain points. But yeah, overall, yeah, really enjoyed it. We've been on Walking Dead the ride, and
I'm not joking you, that was so scary. Like, I could do a roller coaster any day, but that was scary, just like freaky. It was pitch black and you didn't know if anyone was going to pop out.
So we're going to make our way onto Tidal Wave. We're probably going to get soaked, aren't we?
Yeah, but it'd be worth it. We've been waiting all day for this one.
I mean, I think it's been 29 degrees today, so
yeah, it'd be nice and refreshing.
Yeah,
That's what
definitely.
we need.
Yeah. So we've just been on Tidal Wave. Oh, God.
Absolutely drenched.
Yeah, we're absolutely soaked.
Oh, it was so good though.
Yeah, very good. I mean,
Did you see me? I went like that because I didn't want my face to get soaked. My hair's absolutely drenched and we're going out for a meal tonight, so that's going to be fun.
Just absolutely drenched. The park closes at closes 7 tonight, so we're going to see if we can get one more ride on Hyperia before close, and then that's us done for the day.
Hello guys.
So that concludes our day at Thorpe Park for the first time. Yeah, we've had a really good day, haven't we?
Yeah, we've had such a good day.
Yeah,
We've
well, I
made
mean,
so many memories.
yeah, and yeah, I mean, we've managed to get on all the big rides. We've managed to get re-rides on Swarm, Stealth and Hyperia. And yeah, which was your favourite ride?
Yeah, so it would have to be Stealth or Hyperia. I can't really pinpoint which one my favourite was because they're completely different rides. But yeah, they were really good.
You like the speed, don't you, on Stealth?
100%, yeah, because it like happens like all at once, like at the beginning rather than mid-ride. So
yeah. I mean, for me, Hyperia is by far the best ride there. I mean, the airtime. We got a back row ride on our re-ride at the end, and it was just insane how much airtime you got. The first drop was just unbelievable. But no, yeah, I mean, Stealth I really enjoyed, and the Swarm as well. What would you say about the theming?
So with the theming, there was a couple of rides that had the theme, like Walking Dead had a really good theme, like Actors, all that kind of stuff like happening. Yeah, and then Saw, that had a really good theme. Obviously there was loads of noises that was going off all the time, but then I think that's one of the things that I didn't like as most about Hyperia. The theme wasn't really there.
Yeah.
But other than that, like, you can't really fault it. You know, you can't have a theme on every ride.
Yeah. But I mean, yeah, that's the thing, obviously, that people have complained about. I mean, some of the stations, the station building and stuff is, I wouldn't say tacky, but it just didn't look like it just could be better. And that's just the only downside with Hyperia, that just would take it from that next.
Take it that next level.
Yeah, from being the best in the UK to being like in the top 10 of the best in Europe and the world. But yeah, overall we've had a really good day, and yeah, the weather's been amazing.
Got a little bit burnt.
Yeah, we got a little bit burnt, but yeah, hopefully we'll be back at some point in the future.
Definitely.
But yeah, hope you've enjoyed. Thanks for watching.
Thank you for watching.
Goodbye.
Bye.